Do you have any Taraweeh tips?
Taraweeh, okay, so I guess when it comes to Taraweeh, pace yourself and don't burden yourself, right? It's one thing to sort of push yourself, but not to burden yourself. Find a place where you're comfortable. If the voice of the Imam has an effect on you, then obviously find a place that, but just please, for the love of Allah, don't look for drive-through Taraweehs. Don't look for, turbocharged Imams where,
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah.
because again, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala doesn't need our prayer, right? But we pray, and there's a special feeling in it. Wallahi, try your best to.
Can I give a tip?
Yeah, go for it.
Please, don't eat too. Then come to the masjid. I was explaining to the brothers what I'm going to invent, inshallah. This is in the pipelines. You know the breathalyzer, where the coppers and they pull you over and they go, "Hey, where have you been drinking?" You go, "No." You go, "Count to 10." Well, I'm going to do something where you can stick on the masjid door, and if you've eaten too, sorry mate, get out. Sometimes, man, look, on a serious note, sometimes you'll be praying, you're in khushu', you love the reciter, you're there, and someone goes and starts burping, man.
And then you get
and you wrecks your whole salah, and you think to yourself, who was that guy? And you can't wait to see him after salah, and you think you're gonna do the sunnah, man. Follow the sunnah. And come out, I don't want to be too harsh. If you're gonna eat to I don't know, should we say avoid the masjid?
No, actually,
because wallah, let's be honest, especially when you drink Coca-Cola, come in, it starts mixing, comes out of your eyes, your nose, it comes out of your pores, and you reek. Spray perfume, brush your teeth, have a mint, because wallah al-azim, sometimes you can affect the person that's praying next to you, wallah. Wallahu a'lam. Do you want to elaborate on that?
No, well, it's the sunnah to avoid garlic and onion. Avoid garlic and onion because it puts out a smell. Even if the guy next to you isn't going to necessarily smell it, the angels don't like that smell.
SubhanAllah, man. So avoid that area.
So to be...
Doom? No. Basal? No. Because I'm going to be testing you on the doors of the masjid.
So it's a bit hard when you're Lebanese, bro, and you got that chicken barbecue going.